Hi everyone. Google just dropped insane image editing capabilities with Nano Banana. Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'm going to talk about Nano Banana Aka Gemini 2.5 Flash image editing capabilities, where I will show you how to get started with Nano Banana completely free, insane use cases you can explore with Nano Banana, and image editing is going to change the world drastically. Yes. Hi everyone, my name is Pritam and this is my AI channel where I talk about the latest technologies, trends and the tools which can make you more productive. And very recently I gave a TED talk on agent space, agentic AI offering from Google. Just do check out the link in my descriptions to have a detail on the TEDx talk. And also I recently released a book on generative AI for everyone to demystify AI and democratize AI so that everybody can use in their day-to-day life. Anybody can get started with image editing capabilities. You don't have to be a photo editor and it is free. So let's get started. So what is Nano Banana? If you want to have an understanding of Nano Banana, just go back to my last video where I am talking about Nano Banana, the initial release from Google, the secret project, the secret weapon, where you can start on the image editing capabilities. And talking about the capabilities, it maintains insane character consistency. Yes, it doesn't add a weirdo effect of your photos. You can merge your photos, bring some 3 4 photos and merge it into a single photo to give a complete look and feel without changing your character consistency. And it gives you immense amount of intelligent editing capabilities. And of course, let's not forget the multimodal, the visual context capabilities that is required and has been the difficult problem for any of the image editing capabilities. To get started on Nano Banana, just go to aistudio.google.com. In the last video, I showed about LA Marina, where the initial release of Nano Banana happened secretly, but now it is available in AI Studio and Gemini, completely free of cost. And you can see all the apps which has been built by Google by default out of the box, where you can get started, like Past Forward, which gives you time travel capabilities, going back in the past, like 70s, 80s, 90s, your photo. Gem Booth, you can try native capabilities with your webcam, or home canvas, where you can bring in different aspects of your living room and get it settled within a simple aspect of using these applications. And pick shop, so there are many more, and you can build some of these capabilities without using single line of code for any citizen centric users. Let me try to use this application of fast forward and generate the time travel which has gone insanely viral on the internet, right? Everybody is talking about it. Let's see what it is going to generate. Is it realistic? Is it gives you the vibes of 70s and 80s and 90s of your photo without changing any of the aspects? Here you go. It gives out a vibe of 1970s, 1980s, and you can download this photo and save into your role, right? It's very easy to download. Share this app. You can share this and you can go to full screen mode here, the fast forward. Let's see one more app before we try out something else. Home canvas. So what I will try to do is I will try to merge 2 3 aspects of the photo. For example, in my case, like I want to upload a cat's image, which you find it here, and I want to drag it into the sofa set in my living room so that it gives you a complete look and feel of cat sitting in that in a natural way. So here you go. You see the exact ratio of this amazing capabilities of Gemini 2.5 Flash, rightly where cat has been directly positioned in my requirement in this living space. You can keep merging those capabilities. There are many more on Nano Banana. So this is the official website from Google, where it's talking about reimagining of photos with simple natural language. Yes, you don't have to write single lines of a code, and you make and the look and feel exactly without being a photo editor. And especially, yes, they combine 2 different characters like the person and the dog, and the person is holding now the dog, and without changing any look and feel of this picture. And similarly, a velvet sofa set in your living room, which you saw in a demo some time back, where you can generate the home space, the living space, and the coffee table, and you can keep on adding different elements in the living space very easily with the empty, starting with the empty room which you see. Let's make this interesting, right? So we have a photo and we want to make it way differently with, for example, with different characters. Or let me say, please. So now I have moved on to Gemini, where you can still explore Gemini Flash image model. That is the imagine model behind the scenes for you to get you started. And what I'm trying to do is, even if I make some spelling mistakes, that's automatically taken care of by large language model behind the scenes for you with 2.5 Flash. And I'm adding a glass frames on the face of the attached pic. Let's see what it generates for you. And it is quite insanely fast as well. If you are trying exploring this 2.5 Flash imagine model or Nano Banana, behind the scenes for you. It creates amazing results with. So here you go, the natural look and feel. So let me do this thing here, right? Please add Narendra Modi and Donald Trump in the above picture with hands resting on the person's shoulder in the image. So what I'm trying to do is I'm to add two different characters here, the Narendra Modi and Donald Trump, the hottest topic in the market now. And in the above picture, that is mine, with the hand resting on the person's shoulder in the image. Boom, you saw that, right? It is quite amazing with Nano Banana or Imagine or Gemini, rather Gemini 2.5 Flash model. The image model gives you amazingly, insanely results, right? In a quick amount of time. So here what I'm going to do is I will try an output from a map and try to create a ground side view from the map. So here you go. So what I did in the output was trying to create a realistic ground view of San Francisco Golden Gate from the attached map image, which I got as a screenshot from maps.google.com. You can do the same way. And here you can see the insanely accurate result, San Francisco Golden Gate. And don't worry if you make spelling mistakes like me here. Large language model behind the scenes does the magic for you. So the next demo I'm talking about to create a catchy banner image of the attached book cover, which I wrote recently, and on the airport roads of London and write a catchy one-liner slogan on generative AI. Here you go. The realistic look and feel of the banner image with one-liner catchy slogan for your products. Banner, for example, you want to create a banner image on the bookstall in, let's say, London Heathrow Airport. So let's see one more demo before we wrap up this quick tech bite sessions here. So let's build an application, right? So let's get started. Create a Gen Z electronics online mobile store with flashy. So you can keep building these apps. The one which has given you, we spoke about without writing a single line of code. The one which you saw in the previous starting video, which talks about past forward, your images in the past time travel, home canvas. We saw that cat sitting on the sofa, or Pixop or Gem booth. But this is the one you create without writing single lines of a code, which you see directly it is being generated. And you can preview this directly in the Gemini console and pick the right model of 2.5 Flash, which creates the magic for you. And and you can imagine the power of the tool, and you have to look no further beyond Gemini and AI Studio to get you started with the state of the art models for creating these wonderful and amazing such photo qualities. So here you go. It generated quite astonishingly faster the website, the app, without writing a single lines of a code. If you want to add something, you can click on add. You can see here I have placed two item, or I can reduce one to item and start shopping again. For example, here it is fully functional, and click place order. I need to place the details and put in my card details. Of course, I will not do in this video, and place the order. So you can monetize all these apps rightly, directly, without writing single code here. And you can deploy it to Google Cloud Platform. For example, you want to deploy it to Google Cloud Services, you have got an option to deploy in Cloud Run. If you want to work in GitHub, you have option to do that. You can download this app and use in your code editor of your choice. If you are coming from a developer background and you don't want to start, but don't worry, if you are from a citizen-centric background with a very minimal understanding of AI, this is the time here where you can generate stunning images without writing single line of a code. And you can also share this app with someone if they are interested to try this out. So Nano Banana is here. It's not some far takeoff demo, right? It is now live here in the Gemini app. It is smarter, faster, and keeps you in the context. Go try it right now. Take a picture of yourself or your pet, give them some ridiculous new job, and post it in the comment section below. I want to see some weirdest thing you want to try it up, and let me know. And thanks for tuning in, and look forward to hosting you again with some awesome, cool tech tools and productivity hacks to make your life simple. Thank you.